What up, people? Nakamoto Crypto here. Had to take a little break from the tube, and the internet and everything. I haven't been in tune for like, I don't know, 15 days or something like that, you know. I had to take a break, reconnect with my kinfolk and all of this other stuff. But hey, stay tuned, like and subscribe. I'm back. I got some more content coming, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it is what it is, man. I haven't been in tune. I don't know what's going on in crypto. I've been completely out of the loop. I just got back to my grind, and yeah, man. Listen, right now the biggest news is that there could be a potential world war. I've made a live show about this about maybe 2 years ago, over a year ago, in towards the end of 2022, and it was called World War II or something. I don't know, check it out, it's on my channel. But yeah, yeah, Iran, hey man, if right now they're retaliating, and if there's a potential world war, then get ready, because crypto is just a tiny little sector in the realm of investors, the global market. We're talking about the stock markets and the movers and shakers of this world. They move trillions of dollars in terms of asset class. And if March 2020 Black Thursday haven't taught you anything in terms of Bitcoin being correlated to the stock market, because here's the thing. Back when I got into the game, people always taught me crypto, Bitcoin is not correlated with the stock market. It moves on its own. And that's a lie, because once a virus got discovered and a big scare like what happened today with the war, something similar to that effect happened when there was a virus and people were dying and all this other stuff. The whole market sold, including crypto. Bitcoin dropped from like 9,000 all the way down to $3,000. We thought it was gonna go to zero. It was over. This was right before a Bitcoin halving, and here we are 5 days before a Bitcoin halving, a potential scare. Again, it is happening, and that's really scary. But just know that in times like this, it's okay to stable up. You can get back to the market later on. Those who are long-term investors will seize the opportunity and see this as, an opportunity to get back in the market. And that's what's happening right now. You see Bitcoin dropped from 70 to 67, down to 62, back up to 65, because somebody's always buying the dip. And it's not just about these clown traders, day traders being liquidated and being wiped out all the time, So peep game, understand what's going on, world events like this, it's very much correlated to what you got going on. Your little crypto is nothing compared to what is going on, I've seen people making videos on YouTube and people talking on X right now. Just I was checking, and they were saying something to the effect of, "Oh, why is this affecting crypto and whatnot?" You're silly, Your mindset is selfish. That's why. Everything that's going on in the world right now in terms of war, it has everything to do with crypto, bro. Because that money, that blood money, is coming into crypto, and organizations are actually using crypto to whitewash their funds and doing all this other stuff. It's all correlated, There's a major war going on outside. No man is safe from. And if you live in a big city like, I don't know, London or New York or something like that, I would recommend that in this bull market, if you get gifted with a ton load of money, then it might be the best time to move outside of these big cities, because if a war comes, your big city is not going to be safe from it either, bro. Because a big city that has over 1 million people, like New York, California, or London, or whatever, it cannot feed itself. Most people don't understand this because they just arrogantly walking through life without meditation or remembering that they have a creator. Only in the West you see people who are so arrogant to say that there's no God, and they agnostic, they questioning everything in life, and they think everything should be just all rosy. It's a flow through their journey in life. But yet a little pins and needles on their toe can get them to cry and reflect that there's a God or a little, whatever. But yeah, a big city like that, it cannot feed itself. The food has to come from outside, meaning those giant cities that I just named, none of them have something that they produce, domestic produce. They don't even grow their own food. All they have is these big ass grocery stores, supermarkets, and all this other stuff. And if a major war like that happen, and God forbid your water supply is shut off or your food supply is shut off, people will starve to death, and they're gonna have to kill each other to get food and whatnot. So what I would recommend is, if you live in any of those major cities and you make it big in crypto, you're blessed, move outside of the big cities, move to the countryside, move to the mountains, and learn how to grow your own food. That's how hopefully you can survive a major war, something like that. But yeah, densely, highly dense cities like that, they cannot feed themselves. That was just a short message, you know. I'll be back with longer form videos and whatnot. But yeah, man, it's going down. So hopefully it doesn't escalate. We're all praying that it doesn't escalate. There will be peace, because then we'll carry on and we have a beautiful epic bull market. If it escalates, forget your crypto. Everything is going to go to zero, and then that's it, you know. Nobody knows what's going to happen, bro. It is what it is. This was just a short one. Like up the video, share it, subscribe. I'll be back with some longer form content. Get it? You know, I just had to get on and say this, because I've seen a lot of people out there talking about how is their crypto being affected, and they had nothing to do with the war, when they have everything to do with the war. The big cities that you're living in, the money that's coming in there is actually blood money. It's coming at the expense of third world countries that are being oppressed right now, and people are dying over there. You're holding blood money, and that cannot go on forever. In other words, you cannot oppress us. If you study humanity's history, you cannot oppress a group of people for a very long period of time and you get away with it. So nature always fights back. If it's not in a form of an earthquake, natural disasters, a big war would happen, or foreign armies will actually invade you and destroy your whole empire. So no empire was able to rule the world just forever. It doesn't happen. At some point, that empire will get too prideful, and there goes that word, pride, and they're gonna crumble. But they never see it coming. It always happens. They never see that coming. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Like up the video, share it, subscribe for some crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.